Hello, this is Taylor Walls, and this is going to be my second informative speech. The topic is over quality and quantity of sleep. I would like to start off this speech with a couple of questions to ponder for the audience. Do you get enough sleep? How much sleep is enough? Is it individually personalized? And what counts as quality sleep? While researching, I learned from the Encyclopedia of Lifestyle, Medicine, and Health that all humans spend about 1/3 of their lives asleep. This shocked me, and it made me start wondering what actually counts as quality of sleep and quantity of sleep, and if I'm receiving enough of it. For the most part, I go to bed around midnight and I wake up at 6:30, meaning I personally get around 6.5 hours of sleep each night. However, I never feel like it's enough. Grander and Gurman say it is thought that humans need, on average, approximately 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to be fully rested. So it seems like I might need some more. Do you need any more sleep? As I learned that, I immediately can ask, what does fully rested really mean? Being fully rested includes sleep quantity and sleep quality. I already mentioned that the average adult should be sleeping around 7 to 8 hours, which is the sleep quantity. But sleep quality is measuring how well you actually slept. After researching on sleepfoundation.org, I found that there are many different aspects that can help determine if you are getting good quality of sleep. If you can fall asleep within 30 minutes of getting into bed, if you can sleep straight through the night without waking up no more than once, if you are receiving the recommended amount of sleep for your age, if you can fall back to sleep within 20 minutes when you wake up, if you were to wake up, and if you feel rested, restored, and energized upon waking up in the morning, then most likely you're getting a good quality of sleep. Earlier, we learned that the average adult should be receiving approximately 7 to 8 hours each night. But does that number change determined based on the person? Holly Nugent determined that sleep personalization can alter behaviors and help move towards a more positive behavior health. A positive behavior health makes a very big positive impact on other aspects of your life as well. For example, depression, anxiety, and ADHD, this is quoted by Robinson, all are greatly improved by a health quality or quantity of sleep. Now, referring back, what aspects of sleep are so important? Why are they so important? Quality and quantity are both aspects of sleep that will ensure a well-rested and positive behavior health, all of which can help you make a positive impact and positive aspects on your life. Thank you.